Hello friends, how are you? A warm welcome on my YouTube channel Mohit ERP. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about OnePlus 11 Unicode software. So don't be late, let's start the video. First of all, we will discuss about item section. How will we create item in OnePlus and how will we add images in particular item. For item creation, we will click on master and then select the item option. For opening item window, we will use shortcut Control I from keyboard. Now we will click on new button. Here we will write item name like Maggie. Sometimes customer want to enter item name in his regional language like Punjabi, Gujarati and Tamil etc. For that we will click on tool button. Before it we will close the item window. Now we will click on tool button and then select option. Here we will click on the particular language in which we want to print the item name and then we will click on save changes and then close the window. Now we will reopen the item window. Here we will mention the item name and click on the this icon for print the item name in regional language. As you see, the item name will be appear in Hindi language. If we want to enter HSN code, then we enter HSN number in HSN column. After that we will select the tax slab, company name and group. Sometimes customer will add images in particular item. Then we will click on image online library. Here a small window will appear on screen. Then click on search button. Here AI tool will provide you multiple image option for that particular item image. After that we will enter our purchase price, sale price in price window. If we will want to enter our opening stock, here we will enter in opening stock column. After that we will save the item name. Now we will close the item window. Now we will discuss the sale option. How to create sale bin in our software. First we will click on entries and then select the sale section. After this we will click on new button. Our sale window will appear on screen. Here we will select the date. If customer is new, then we will create customer account. If customer is old, then select the customer name. For creating a new customer account, we will press F3 button from keyboard. Here we will maintain customer detail like name, address and mobile number etc. And then we click on save button. After creating customer account, we will press on bill number and the bill number will come automatically. After that we will select the particular item which we want to sell and enter the quantity and price. We have to continuously press enter till item comes down, then click on save button. Our bill will be saved. If we want to print the bill, then click on yes. A small window will appear on screen. For the preview of the bill, we will click on preview button. Now you've seen a preview of the bill. It is customizable. We will design according to the customer choice bill format. As you seen, the item name will appears in Hindi language. So according to your choice, you easily enter the customer name and item name in your regional language. Enough for today. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative video.